Hey guys, welcome. So this pose is upward facing dog, otherwise known as Urdhva Mukha Svanasana, upward facing dog. So with this one, I like to start, for the sake of ease in explaining the shape, we'll start laying prone on our stomachs. So again, my hands are framing my chest. And this setup again is usually used for lowering through chaturanga, the half push-up, or the full push-up, the chaturanga push-up. So with upward facing dog, usually you lower down through chaturanga. So actually, let's just start from there. So we're in a high plank. You can see my toes are tucked. I'm engaging my quads. So I like to cue that to zip up your kneecaps. So engaging your quads. And my core is engaged. I'm pressing the four corners of my palm into the mat. And then I'm lowering down. So I'm tucking my elbows, lowering down through chaturanga, coming about halfway, untucking my toes, and then I'm pressing myself up for upward facing dog. So you notice that my knees are lifted off the mat, the tops of my feet are pressing downwards into the mat. I'm engaging my legs, I'm engaging my core, my glutes are switched on, and I'm directing my gaze forward ahead of myself. My hands are stacked underneath my shoulders, and again, it's a very fiery, active position. And usually from upward facing dog, we go or transition into downward facing dog. So you draw your tailbone upwards, untuck your toes, planting your feet onto the mat. So again, with upward facing dog, it's usually used in a flow sequence. So when teachers again say take your flow or take your vinyasa to downward facing dog, that's what they mean. So they mean lower down through a half chaturanga push-up, inhale for an upward facing dog, that shape that we just saw, and then you exhale into downward facing. Cool. So I hope you enjoyed. Feel free to try it out and let me know how it goes.